hotspot for help today.
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System, EAS.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado or flash flood or a civil emergency warning, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
Finally! I missed the last 3. But I finally got it, and especially in the perfect way.
For Weather Authority forecasts.